Hi guys, I'm currently on our Canvas homepage, and if you have not signed on for No Red Ink, this is how you get on. So I'll model with my first hour, but everyone's will be the exact same. So if I go here and I go to my modules, remember we practiced this 3 weeks ago. So this is something that should have been done during week 3. Like always, everything is in the week lessons and homework for that week. So this is week 3 because we did this during 2 weeks ago. So if I click week 3, there's going to be a link that says the No Red Ink Diagnostic. This is only a login one time, okay? A one-time login. So when you click this, it will have two screens. And I can't show you because I'm not a student. The left side is how you log in after you log in, after you sign up. So all your logins will normally be on the left side. On the right is how you sign up. So if you've never signed up before, you need to click the right side. The class code is set for you. You do not mess with that class code. So you click continue and then you log in with Google. Then there's going to be a screen that's going to ask you to pick things that you like, movies, books, sports, all that good stuff. And then you go to a screen that looks like this. So if I click that link, once that you've logged in and everything, your screen is going to look like this. There will be a play button. You have to do the No Red Ink Diagnostic. It has a completion grade only, and that's what's currently missing in the grade book. Due the 30th will also be your parts of speech. That's a separate assignment due September 30th before fall break, not spring break. We're not there yet. Again, this is going to be practice in class, so you should have seen this before, and this should be a good reminder. Have a good day, guys.